Hello, in this video we're going to go over how to create an evolution in Cobblemon that requires a held item with a particular custom data NBT on it. There's a lot of steps to this, but this is usually useful for server owners to go through and create a particular item, or even add-on creators to go over and create a particular item that doesn't need to be added via a mod, that relies on an item that already exists, in this case, say a stick. In order to gate a particular evolution. So in this example, just to go over it briefly, I'm going to make Charmander evolve into Wartortle based off of a stick that has the custom data of Cursed Evo True. I've created this recipe, cursedevo.json. You can see where it is over here. Taking a look at it, we're going to craft one dirt into a stick that has the custom data Cursed Evo True component on it. This is a regular stick. You can see it has 6 components on it. If I come through and I craft this dirt, you can see this stick, come on, has 7 components on it. 6 on a normal, 7 on mine. The difference is I've added a 7th one, which is this custom data, the Cursed Evo of True. So this is the good one, this is the bad one. Let's go ahead and give ourselves a Charmander. In fact, I'll do it this, oh, no, can't do it this way. I was doing another example. Poke give Charmander. Cool. I was typing so fast and doing that I didn't let my finger off of the R before hitting enter, so it sent him out. All right, anywho, you can see that he doesn't have a held item right now. If I give him the bad held item, nothing happens. He was just given a stick to hold. Let me go ahead and pull that out of him. Let me go ahead and give him the magic stick. And there we go. You can see Charmander is now ready to evolve. If I come over here while he has that stick with a 7th component on it with my custom data shoved in it, if I evolve him, he can evolve into Wartortle. She. Oh, I got lucky. And boom. My Charmander successfully evolved into a Wartortle. Now, clearly, not something you would probably want to actually do, but you can see the functionality to it. You can see the setup for it. I created a recipe that allowed me to obtain this. You can also obtain this item using commands. Let's clear this out real quick. Okay. I want to give myself a stick that has Minecraft custom data of, what have I done here? Can I just do that? Yeah, I can do that. Okay. Custom data of Cursed Evo is true or 1B, either which way. They give you the same thing. So you can see that gave me the exact same stick. I now have 2 of them in my inventory. I have 2 over here because I took the bad stick away from them. If I give myself another Charmander, give him the good one, he's ready to evolve. You can see he's got the evolution in there, and if I take it away from him, he is no longer ready to evolve. So there's that. Real quick and simple way to be able to create an item that allows you to evolve a Pokemon from an existing item using custom data NBT on it. Thanks for watching.